Hey, this is Gary Schultz from Cyclone Vans. We got the cabinets done yesterday, but before we put them in, we're going to put some windows in here. So we'll get going on that right away. Stay tuned. So I got my payment booklet today for the van. I'm really excited about that. You know, I can hardly wait to start making payments on a van that I can't get done because I can't find parts. I ordered some windows from DK Hardware. I've been waiting about a week. I haven't heard a word. So I called them today. Oh yeah, your windows are in back order. We'll see them on August 20th. Okay, so we got this C.R. Lawrence window here, and we're going to go ahead and put that in the side of the van. I was only able to get the left side right away. I got this on Amazon, but it came from DK Hardware. They are out of the driver's side, which is I don't know why. Maybe just people just only want one for the driver's side, because wouldn't you think it'd be there in equal numbers? They're not. So it sounded like it was going to be mid-August before I could get the other one. I ordered it direct from DK Hardware, and I got an email a couple days ago saying that it would be here this week. I think maybe tomorrow. So that's good. Take the screw pack over there. But this looks like a pretty high quality piece here. It's got a locking slider on it, which is nice. So you can open the window, shut it. This is all just really high quality stuff. You can flick these up, it looks like, and pull the screen out if you want to. Which maybe while I'm working on it, maybe I'll do that. There. Jeez. So, I mean, even this screen is pretty high quality stuff. Just take a look here. You know, the corners are welded right there. This is some pretty heavy aluminum. I'm impressed. I mean, there's no like whippiness to this screen at all. It's just nice piece of hardware there. So we're going to go ahead and put this in. They've got two screws holding the trim ring on. Okay, so there's our trim ring. Nice. It's really hot here today in Minnesota. But tomorrow it's going to cool off, but rain. So I kind of thought, well, I can't have it rain while I'm doing this. By the way, there's no instructions in this kit at all. Nothing. So these are your instructions for it right here. Warning, CRL windows are not certified for FMVSS 226 ejection mitigation. Always drive fit window before cutting vehicle. If you have any questions about product applications or fitment, call CRL. Measure twice, cut once. So where are we going to put this sucker? Do we put it right in the middle here? Or do we put it kind of towards the back? I don't know. I kind of like it towards the back, actually. Outside. What do you think? Put it up in here rather than away over here. I kind of like it at the back. Let me ask the wife here. Yeah, I think that's a good spot right there. Okay. I liked it at the back better. I think we're gonna put it something like that. And that way we clear, we only have to cut one brace this way. So, I'm gonna put that on there. Alright, I should look right up there. Seems doable. I'm gonna put some plastic on here because I don't want to get any metal shavings down in here and all over in the van. That would be real bad. So this is a drop cloth I use for a lot of things. Comes in handy. So I put this tape on halfway here, kind of half the tape is stuck to the metal. Now the other half is stuck to this. So. Cut the rubber here. That stuff doesn't cut. Is that a knife? This isn't a commercial for DeWalt or anything, but I do like their tools. I might file that just to make sure that there's no shards of anything there. That's exactly where it was on the inside. Now, honey, look back from a distance. Does that look all right?
I suppose that the curve kind of comes up. So I suppose you're going off of measuring from here to here is equal from there to there.
I don't want it crooked.
I know. Did you measure the bottom?
No.
I would do that.
14 5/8. 14 5/8.
Perfect. the camera.
This is the same color as the van, this spray. No, I still have the tape on the outside, so. See, this has got just some foam tape in here to hold it. I don't know, I might just put some
I thought you were
butyl in there.
Yeah, I would.
So they've got some of these drilled and some are not. Which, you know, like, damn it, why didn't you just drill them all for us? Maybe there's some variability to how this thing goes in sometimes. That one's not drilled, see? Alright, I can't put those in yet. So that's it. So I cut holes in the side of my van about the time I got the payment book. But looking good, worked out well. Hey, thanks for watching, and please hit the subscribe button and like our video, comment below. Love to hear what you have to say about it.